Hi guys, I've been requested to do some voiceovers in my skydiving videos. Instead of just putting the words on the screen, I really want some explanation of what's going on. So here's my BRel 5 jump. I actually skipped BRel 5 because I was doing pretty well and there was 2 people around, so I can just go straight to a 4-way. It sounds weird, but it's a 4-way. So this is again in the Cessna plane. You saw in the BRel 3 and 4 I did a Cessna exit. It's sketchy as I'm so scared sitting on that wing there. And there's an exit. I was a little bit late coming off, but yeah, we're all pretty much students on this jump. This guy here has about 30 jumps and the other guy has about 28 or something. You see me coming in there, I grabbed onto the instructor's hand, but I held on and I was slow falling, so my body got pulled up, and because I was holding on, it just flipped me over. And so he has 2 attempts, comes in, and they're just waiting for me to dock in. I'm trying to spider peek the best I can to get up there, but I get onto level and then I drop again because I was going forward and arching too much, and that's the end of that jump. So I failed that one, unfortunately. So here's the next attempt. We're back in the Caravan, which is a much nicer plane than the Cessna. Cessna exits are fun, but it's just so sketchy. So here's the Caravan exit. We were all a little bit late again, so everyone had to rush in. So there you see me falling, sinking out. They come down to help me out a little bit. Wait for the 3-way to form. I'm supposed to dock in 3rd or later, but here I'm coming in 4th. And this is like the funniest bit of all my BRel's jump here. One sec. Boom. So I go up and I hit the burble. So this bit is the burble, and I just come down, hit into it, and just take him out. So looking back now, it was pretty dangerous. A lot of things could have gone wrong there, but almost all BRel students have done that before, where they just went into someone's burble and hit it. So this one I've to someone else's BRel. So I did jump in and I said I'll just try to do my BRel as well. I'm just here trying to get a 3rd dock in. So here's me coming in. To the left, just fast forward. So I come in. I took a deep breath there, but when I took a deep breath, I lifted my chest, which sent me sliding backwards. I come again there, reached for the grips, which isn't ideal, but because I had the 4 drive going, it was alright. So here we're going down to the other student, fast forward. So my instructor there gave it a nod, but we just both looked at him like we're retards. But he later on he told us that he wanted us to do like a new formation or something, but we just completely missed the signal and we just tracked off. Here we go again, another one. This one's a linked exit. We sort of nailed it, yeah. Yep, it worked. Nearly failed, but you see we're really unstable. We're still rippling around. Eventually we got there. Yeah, a little grip drop, but we got stable enough around here. So give us a signal. There we go. And open accordions there. That's nice. Signal again. I'm not really looking. So that's what happened. I wasn't keeping eye contact with the instructor, so I just flew away. Here I need side body onto my mate on the red helmet there. He forgot to put his visor down. I've done that a lot now. I come in nice and slow, and I reach for the grips, which sends me really unstable, do a window winder there and lose complete stability. But I got straight back into my arch and was able to recover. Here I just waved off, it was already too low, and we track away, and my tracks are crap. So this is just a bonus video I'm putting in just because my final one got deleted or couldn't find it. So we're here taking out another linked exit, and this one went to complete crap. It full funneled into the middle there. There was no saving that one, so we just bailed out of it. We just got back, we got stable, and here I come in for a dock, but then I got up and we both do a 360 in sync, all planned 100% what we wanted to do. And here you just see me flying around like an idiot. So that's my BRel is done. This is just an extra bit of footage I had. So I'm just gonna leave it here now. Just watch the rest of this video. It's really interesting to go watch some of these videos again. I'm on like 160 jumps now. it's just really good to watch these videos and just see my progression of how far I've come. I just have a lot of videos to edit at the moment, just working way too much, but please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.